The front wheel of the tricycle is 155% as large as the rear wheels. Use 100 grids to show how the front wheel compares to the rear wheels. For question number 1, I used 100 grids to find the answer. Since the front wheel is only 55% as the rear wheels, I just used 2 grids and added I made 100 colored in the whole grid and just part of the second 100 grid, and then yeah. Question number 2. The number of caribou in a particular herd was monitored over a 2-year period. The first year, the size of the herd was estimated at 30,000. The second year, the herd was estimated to be 90% of its original size. What was the approximate size of the herd in the second year? For number 2, the herd was estimated by 90% of the original size. So I found 90% by 100 divided by 10, which gave me 10, and then and then I timed by 9, which gave me 90%. And then I did the same thing to the other side. So, and then I got that as my answer. So, in the second year, the herd had 27,000 caribou. Question number 3. The cost for a downloaded game was $10.99. Added to the cost was a 10% before tax processing fee, 5% GST, and 7% PST. What is the total cost of the game? For question number 3, I found 10% by 100 divided by 10, and then adding these two numbers together, and then I did the same thing on this side, which gave me $12.08. And then I did $12.08 times the tax, which was $1.12. Or yeah. And then I got $13.53. The total cost is $13.53. Question number 4. What is a better deal? A, 60% of the pair of shoes, or B, 20% off a pair of shoes, and then a 40% reduction off the discount price. For question number 4, I think 60% is better deal because 60% off a pair of shoes that are $100 are $40, and 40% off the discounted price is $75. And yeah.